Hello students, welcome to all in environmental studies lecture. Today in this lecture I am starting unit number 11 and the name of the unit is cooking food. Cooking food, generally who cook the food in your house? In my house my mother cook the food. Let's we start. Cooking makes the food soft and tasty. By cooking the food, it makes soft and tasty. It also becomes easily digestible. It also kills the germs present in the food. If we cook the food, the germs present in the food, it also kills. There are many different ways by which the food is cooked. First process is the boiling. See this picture. This picture is about water is boiling in that. Boiling means to cook a food in a water at a high temperatures. If we cook the food in a water at a high temperature, that is called the boiling. This process kills the germs present in it. This process kills the germs present in food. For example, rice, pulses, meat and vegetables are cooked by boiling. What are the example? Rice, pulses, meat and vegetables. Now, second process is the frying. This picture is about the frying. Examples are samosas, pakoras, etc. Frying means cooking the food in a hot oil. Boiling means cooking the food in a water in a high temperature. But frying means cooking the food in a hot oil. Puris, pakoras, samosas, etc. are some fried foods. When the amount of oil used for frying is small, it is called a shallow frying. If we are using little bit oil, then it is called a shallow frying, and when a lot of hot oil is used for frying, it is called a deep frying. Stir frying is a healthier way of cooking. This is when food is cooked in a very little oil over a high heat. Now third number process is the steaming. Some foods like idlis, doklas and rice are cooked by steaming in a steamer, pressure cooker or a vessel. In this picture you can see that idlis are making in this vessel, and that is the process of steaming. Now fourth number is the roasting. Meat, fish and some vegetables are roasted in an oven. Now, next process is the grilling. When food is cooked over a direct heat, it is called a grilling. This is a fast method of cooking. Fast method of the cooking is the grilling. Now, baking. Some foods like bread, cake and cookies are baked in an oven. Water is not needed when food is grilled. Water is not needed when food is grilled, roasted or baked. Now cookware. See, this is some vessels of cookware. You can see in your kitchen also. Many pots and pans are used in the kitchen. You can see some of them in the picture. Most of the cooking pots have a wooden or a plastic handles. Now main foods. Which are the main foods? Mostly people eat a food that grows easily in their region. People all over the world eat bread made from grains such as wheat, oats, rye and barley. The grain is ground into flour and mixed with water or yeast to make a dough by kneading it with the hands. Then it is rolled and cooked on a tawa or baked. Now, different countries make it in a different ways. You can see in this picture. In India, we every day eat a chapati or paratha. In this first picture, that picture is about the chapati. In Italy, pizza. USA, garlic bread. Turkey and Greece, pita bread. Mexico, tortilla. And these pictures are about chapati, pizza, garlic bread, pita bread and tortilla. I hope you all are understand about these things. Now, in India, rice is the staple food. It is cooked in different ways. It is boiled to soften it and is eaten with a dal or vegetables. It can be mixed with vegetables and a meat to make a biryani or a pulao. It is also used to make idlis and dosas. Now let's we move from our exercise new words. COOKING cooking. GERMS jumps. TEMPERATURES temperatures. DEEP dip. Steaming. STEAMING. Grilling. GRILLING. Cookware. COOKWARE. Oats. OATS. Kneading. KNEADING. Digestible. DIGESTIBLE. Boiling. BOILING. Shallow. SHALLOW. Healthier. HEALTHIER. Roasting. ROASTING. Baking. BAKING. Wheat. WHEAT. Barley. BARLEY. Staple. STAPLE. These new words you have to write in notebook one time and try to learn that. Now question number 2, answer the following. First one is the what is the difference between deep frying and stir frying? Answer is a lot of oil is used for frying, then it is called a deep frying. And second one is the stir frying is cooked in a very little oil over a high heat. Question number 2. What is a steaming? Steaming is a method of a cooking using a steam. It cooked in a steamer, pressure cooker or a vessel. Examples are idlis, doklas. Question number 3. What is a baking? Answer is baking is a method of preparing a food that uses a dry heat, normally in an oven. Examples are bread, cake, cookies. Question number 4. How can rice be cooked? Answer is rice can be cooked by boiling and steaming. Now question number 3, fill in the blanks. First one is the people all over the world eat bread made from grains. Answer is the grains. Second number, many blank and blank are used in the kitchen. Answer is the pots and pans. When food is cooked over a direct heat, it is called a grilling. Answer is grilling. Fourth one, blank and blank are cooked by steaming. Answer is idlis and dhoklas. 5 number, blank kills the germs present in the food. Answer is the boiling. So these all are the exercise of this unit. You have to write in your notebook one time and learn it. Thank you students. Have a nice day. Bye bye.